Let's make a super pretty beehive wreath. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so we start with this little wreath that I had gotten at Dollar Tree, and this fabric I had gotten at Joann Fabrics. And all I'm gonna do is kind of figure out where I want the fabric to be in relation to my wreath, and then I'm just gonna rough cut it out. Then I put some glue on the top rung of our wreath, and get our fabric on there. Now I am using it's not a silicone mat, but it's like a mat that it doesn't allow the glue to stay. And we're just gonna glue on the rungs and just keep putting the fabric on the glued rungs. Does that make sense? Glue, put the fabric down. And you'll see this is why I put it on a mat, because the glue will inevitably get messy. And then I just cut off the excess. Now I'm using this yarn I had gotten at Michael's. It's this big fat blanket yarn. Yes, I paid the price for it, but holy Toledo, it's fuzzy and soft and thick. And all I'm gonna do is each line of this beehive, I'm going to put a line, like do glue and then do the yarn. And could I have done it with one piece of yarn through the whole thing? Maybe, but it would have made me crazy pants, or more crazy pants than I already am. So I just decided to just do it this way. Then I was just going to use one full piece and then just outline the whole thing. So again, same process, glue and then add the yarn. Ta-da! Look how pretty. Oh, I love it. I love it already. Like without anything else, I love it. Look how pretty. But then I remembered my friend Renee, thank you, Renee, had given me this beautiful ribbon. And so I cut, I think the pieces, I had two 10-inch long pieces and two 5-inch pieces of each one. So there are 3 different patterns. And so I just put this in my Bodabra, but really it's just crisscross applesauce. That's all it is. Just alternate and crisscross them. That's all you're doing. But look at the bees. Oh, I love them so much. They're so pretty. And then, do I like the Bodabra? Yes, I had gotten mine on clearance. I never intended to use it really. I had it in my closet and I finally pulled it out and was like, where has this been all my life? I love it so much. It makes it just easier. Now, I'm sure there's somebody out there that knows how to use the Bodabra properly. I guarantee you I'm not using it right, because I stack it, then I tie it, and then, but it's in a big stack. It's like really thick. And so I still haven't figured it out fully, but I muddle through. I make it work the best that I can. So I just tied it, and then I tied it on the back in a nice tight knot. I'm using jute to tie it. You could use ribbon or other string, whatever. I did glue on a jute hanger, and then I just covered it with another piece of yarn, and then I glued on our ribbon, and that was it. Like, look at how pretty this is. It's super light, so I'm not worried about the hanger being glued on, but holy moly, this is, if you have somebody that loves bees, whoo, so pretty. Listen, I know I love bees. I love it. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.